Large order program is where customers or catering orders or just large orders in general subtotal over $100 and you get way bigger tips. Way bigger tips. Once you get the large order program, you don't even have to do normal orders no more. Yep, the catering program. The good old catering program. What's the biggest super chat you've ever gotten? Consecutive $50 super chats on a live stream. Yep, I got back to back to back. I think it was like 5 of them in a row. Yeah, I got like 5 $50 super chats in a row. That was the craziest day. Yesterday was crazy too, though. Don't get me wrong. Like yesterday was not nothing to sneeze at. Yesterday, no, was that yet? That was the day before yesterday. The day before yesterday, it went pretty wild. Demon Bob, I'm about to hide you. Cause why you stay talking like this? I'm about to hide you from my whole channel. If that what you want, keep it up. Hell yeah, free speech is banned. This ain't America. This is Dash and Trader live stream. Don't get it twisted. You may think that free speech reigns, but didn't in America it do. Where you at right now is not America. This is the Dash and Trader live stream, and you will get banned. Shout out to Chris Lacey. What's up, Chris? Hope you're having a great day out there. Eric Berry, hope you're having a great day too, my friend. Yasharala, thanks for being active in the chat. Snack size, you are out of here. You about to be banned. Robert Nelson say, how long you dash a day and how much you make a week on average and how much you write off on your taxes and how many miles per gallon you get and when the last time you cleaned the gutters and cut the grass and is that Chick-fil-A hiring right now and how much is a standard oil change in your area. He just want to know everything. Now you definitely banned. I'm gonna put you in time out. It's been here. I've been driving. I've been doing everything. And I gets nothing. But you know what? It be like that sometimes. Some days you gotta just take the L. Some days you gotta just take that L. You know what I'm saying? Today is an L. Today I'm just taking the L. Hold on, let me zoom in. Taking the L, y'all. Taking the L. Let me see. Hi, Trader, bro. I did 4 hours last night. Got 2 offers. Was sitting in the red the whole time. So you basically been dealing with the same thing I'm dealing with right now. Makes me feel better. It's not just me dealing with it. Boom, right there. Do a backflip for $1, like those people in the car at Walmart. I got you. Hold on. Let's get you together real quick. Boom. You just earned yourself 5 minutes for disrespecting my soul. Don't ever do it again. Ever do it again. Most definitely Monday was an L for me. $38. All good. Tesla Trader on the way. Tesla Trader OTW. I'm about to be the fastest dasher in gas and electric. That Tesla on the way, man. I don't care what nobody say. I still see 10 Uber orders to 1 Doordash order. That's true, though. That is true. I can't believe they just played me like this, y'all. Shout out to Trill. What's up, Trill? Where you been at, man? Been waiting on your ass to get here all night. Been live for 2 hours. You ain't been here the whole time. Fridays are better because that's the customers. Fridays are better because that's the customer's payday. You better believe it. Prius or Tesla? Tesla all day long, bro. I mean, Prius is cool, but I ain't making no video on no Prius and bragging about it. That's for damn sure. How many carats? Them earrings? 0. Negative carats. These are just for show. Okay? Negative carats. Whoa! Chris Lacey. Whoa! W's in the chat. Oh my God. W's in the chat. Let me check my eyes. Hold up. You want me to take this, Chris? I don't even care what it is. You want me to take this? Yeah, I take it. Chris, I will take it. I don't care what it is. That's crazy, boy. That man just dropped a $100 bill. I ain't never even seen that on Super Chat. That's say $5 for 3 miles, Chris. Shout out to Chris Lacey. I'm about to make this man a super moderator on my channel. That man get to keep his moderation forever.